Hello everyone. Previously, the cable owners or internet providers they are storing the customer details or payment details in the physical formats like books or any papers or any cards. In those formats, they are storing the details like how much the customer subscription is, how much they have paid, what is the remaining amount. They are will be stored in the like physical documents like books, papers, etc. So there is no clarity or no security in those documents, and there is no digitalization in the document, whether the customer cannot be able to see how much did I need to pay, and when is the last date, what is the expiration date, when what is my plan details, etc. You cannot the customer cannot be able to handle those all details. So we came up with a solution like cable flow system, which can be used for both customers and the cable operators and internet operators, which can be able to useful for the all in one platform for the cable TV operators and internet operators also. It can be used for generating bills and managing subscriptions of the customers to collect the payments from the customers offline. It is the offline mode also. It works in the offline mode also. It is the main advantage of this cable flow system. And coming to the other features of this cable flow system, the main is the offline mode. The cable flow system will be works in the offline mode also. Like nowadays everyone is having internet, but in some local areas there will be no stable internet connection. So when you are not having any internet connection, our app will take your data from your app or mobiles or any operating system, then it will store in your local database. After whenever you got connected with the internet, then it will automatically syncs to the internet itself. And coming to the next feature, it is nothing than customer portal. I had already told you that it is having a customer portal. Like the customer can able to access their own details like what is my subscription plan, how much did I need to pay, how much I had paid last month, and what is the last expiration date of my subscription, and what are the features included in my subscription, and did I need to change any subscription plan, and who are the my customer like cable operator whom to contact them. Those all details will be come under customer portal. And coming to next, admin dashboard. And admin dashboard will be visible for only like admins like internet operator or cable operator. They will be getting a clear in detailed idea of how many customers are present in their locality, and who are having which connection, and who are paying the amount regularly in every month, and who is having the high balance, and who are needed to pay next month, who are paid. Those all details will come under admin dashboard. And coming to the reports, in this cable flow you can be able to generate monthly reports, weekly reports, whether like for the February month or for the January month, how much the total collection has been happened in this area or in that area. You can be able to easily you can be able to easily export those details from our cable flow system. And coming to the security and privacy in our system, like it is mainly secure because uh, we are we are keeping the private details of the customers in the masked format to keep the privacy of the customers. And coming to the next feature, it is mobile friendly. This is our cable flow system which is very mobile friendly for every operator. Like nowadays the cable operators or internet operator cannot be able to have their laptops or systems in every time, so it can be useful for every cable operators, so they can be able to handle this website from anywhere from their phones itself. And coming to the workflow of our cable flow, the it is a simple workflow of our cable flow. Like the first the customer the cable operator or the admin will have to add their customers in add their customer details in our website. like the details like STB ID, like package information, and all other details has to be added in the cable management system. And after that, he can be able to assign the like how much they need to pay per monthly, and after that they need to pay like did they paid this month, and what are the package and what are the plans. After that, if they had paid the money, and they can able to send the WhatsApp receipt like a payment receipt like invoice to directly to the WhatsApp to the customer itself. And and after that it will record the payment like it has been collected from the online or cash. It will record in the our database. It is very helpful. And coming to the I will show you a simple workflow of our web application. And I forgot to mention you, we are having a PWA, like a it is works as a simple application, like a mobile application. You can be able to install in your phone, and it can be able to access with the internet also. It is the major advantage of our cable flow system, which no one else will give you for our cable operating systems. And coming to the new feature I had added last week is light mode and dark mode. You can be able to use in both light mode and dark mode. This is the light mode and this is the dark mode. And coming to the console login, you can be able to log in with either your phone or email, which will be assigned by your admin or the website admin itself. After that, you can be able to directly log in, and you can be able to see all the customer details like total revenue generated for this month, and total customers, and total active users, and total pending bills which are need to be collected for this month. And I will explain you by visiting each and every dashboard in detail. Let us walk through to the whole website in detail. First of all, we are discussing about the customer dashboard. In the customer dashboard, we can be able to add the customer's details manually, or you can be able to add by bulk upload also. Like you can able to choose any Excel file or CSV file. uh, by we have these details are the mandatory field for the Excel file, and these are the values. You can be able to modify them. It is not a mandatory for the Excel file itself. For the sample, you can able to download the sample template, and you can able to upload the updated customer details. It will be automatically update the whole customer details like this. Like this, you can be able to click on any customers, and you can be able to simply overview the customer details, like what is the customer name, what is the customer ID, phone number, and package amount, and services, and area. And uh, I added this, and setup box ID, and cap ID, etc. We can able to record the payment from here also. It will directly navigate you to the payment section. And coming to the bills dashboard, in bills dashboard it will show you all the bills, like how much did the customer need to pay from the previous month, or the how much the package amount for the customer, how much the amount itself. And you can able to generate the bill for the next month also by previously also. It is very easy. And coming to the payment section, in the payment dashboard, you can be able to record the payment of any customer from here itself. You can able to click here and search whether the customer name, example you can take any this, and you can able to add the amount, and directly you can record the payment, and it will directly update you to the update the dashboard, or update the database, like how this amount is being paid by the this customer. And then you can be able to see the total amount paid by the customer, and total how much the remaining we had now accepted as a 100 rupees paid by the customer, and remaining to 100 remaining balance of this customer. After that, you can be able to send download the receipt. The receipt will look like this, and you can be able to directly send this receipt to the WhatsApp or directly through the normal message also. It is the main advantage of this one. And coming to the reports, it is another dashboard. It is another dashboard of our website, which can be able to view all the reports, which can be able to view all the reports in this section. You can be able to generate all the customer or any in detailed report like revenue wise or outstanding wise, and this is our you can be able to generate a report for billing and payment report, etc., for the customer details. And coming to the agents, and for the admin, you can be able to add two agents in your admin access. He can be able to collect the payments from the customers and take the payments from the customers and record the itself in his own dashboard. They will be assigning you can be able to assign the customer email address or like agent email address or agent phone number, so that they can be having their separate login credentials which can be able to handle their customers to collect the payments and services. And coming to the settings, this is the settings dashboard. You can be able to see all your details and all your company information like your cable information like company name and phone number and address and email. These details can be modified only by the website admin. You can be able to access the website access, then you can be able to access that file. And coming to the UPI ID, by this you can be able to uh, directly collect the payments from the customers by updating this UPI ID. He will be able to get the QR code in the customer section. Then he can be able to pay the bill from his customer section. And I had already told you about the light mode and the dark mode. This is the overview of the light mode and the dark mode section. And coming to the I will show you once the customers section.